Breaking Waves has originally been a guest-centered show. I usually interview Pacific people in politics, business owners, creatives, and I usually get to sit down, get to know them and how they manage to remain resilient in their journey. However, for 2026, season 3 of Breaking Waves, we are going to take a bit of a different direction. We still will be having interviews. However, JLO Consultants. Joseph Lose is related to the CEO of the trust, $79,500 to JLO Consultants. The Pacific Business Trust describes itself as the economic development agency of Aotearoa, New Zealand. It tells the public that it exists to help Pacific people thrive in businesses. Its whole identity is built around community uplift, economic empowerment, and supporting Pacific entrepreneurs. Is the trust receiving millions in public funding because it genuinely serves Pacific communities, or because over the years it's just become very good at presenting itself that way? Why is it someone like Fele, a small business owner, very passionate about Pacific people and helping grassroots businesses faced with consequences for allegedly trying to get his own family to benefit from the trust, yet transactions were made to Mary's family and other board members? Why is the trust inconsistent with its standards? They punish service providers for conflicts of interest, but when it's the trust's own people and friends and family, they've authorized it. They allow it. When is enough enough? I'm going to say it plainly, because when an everyday taxpayer in New Zealand doesn't pay for their tax, the consequences are immediate and serious. Penalties, interest stacks up daily, legal action, even criminal charges. The system moves very quickly and it moves hard. But when concerns are raised about tax-funded organizations, that same level of urgency doesn't seem to exist. Meanwhile, their CEO still gets to keep her well-paid, publicly funded job.